Hi, Raymond Whittaker from VivaMK. So let's have a look to see what's being delivered today. All the items have been ordered from the VivaMK catalogue. Just open the catalogue, so just open the box. So just got a bit of packing. So I've got another empty box. So we've got a breadboard. Got the delivery note. So we got some going back to school pencil sets. We've got some like silk flowers. We've got a banana stand. Got some soap storage box. Got some play and learn Lego. Got some washing nets, keep your socks together in the washing machine. So we've got a couple of sink strainers. So we've got some replacement mill shapes. So got a baby towel and hood. So we've got some descaler, kettle descaler. Got a microwave egg poacher. Got a face vase to put your plants in. We got 180 cake cup cases. So we got some aloe vera hand cream, body cream. So we got a garden slate. We've got some silicone pie makers, or a silicone tray. So we got a pack of catalogues. We've got a fly screen, and we got a clean easy rotary air cover. Keep your rotary airliner from mould. So this is just part from the garden stake. So that's inside this box. That's box empty. So we've got this box now. So inside this one we've got some insect fly killer. We got a washing machine cleaner. We got 3 dehumidifiers. Thank you. Always seen this drain away, drain unblocker. So we've got a wardrobe humidifier. So we've got some VivaMK arthazants. We've got a VivaMK stain remover. Got VivaMK versatile. Got VivaMK We Mean Business. Some VivaMK mould away. So that's the empty box. So thank you for watching. That's everything what was ordered this time. So see you next time in the next VivaMK unboxing. Okay, bye.